All right, today I'm going to show you how this Dyson vacuum cleaner can clean up dirt from off of a carpet. And there's a lot of dirt from off of a carpet from potted plants, and you have a lot of dirt on there. And so I have this stick vacuum by Dyson right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and run it and show you how well a stick vacuum can actually work on a carpeting with heavily soiled dirt on it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, and if you can look right here, there's a trigger that I pull, and it starts rotating the brushes, and then it has a powerful suction action, which brings all the dirt in the canister. You can see right now the canister is currently dirty, or currently empty. It is dirty because, dust builds up on the inside, but it's empty. And all that dirt right there is going to get inside. And I'm going to show you how well it actually picks up. And so let's go ahead and get started with that. So I'm going to pull this, and I'm going to have the setting on one of the highest settings. I'm actually going to do it on the lowest setting and see how it does. So this is the lowest setting right here. And it's picking up. Picking up some, but not picking up all of the dirt. Looks like some got caught in there. So at the lowest setting, it's picking up the big chunk of it, but there's some really ground in dirt in there. Let's see if the ground in dirt can be picked up by the vacuum cleaner. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm just using this right here. This is the lowest setting. On this particular stick vacuum cleaner by Dyson, it actually has 3 settings. It has a low, medium, or normal, and then it has a boost. I'm going to go to the medium and see how well if it can pick up some of the dirt that's down in right there. Let's go ahead and try that out. A little bit, not quite. It's getting up a little bit more than what initially was down there. But let's see if it can, if I put it on the boost mode, which is the highest mode on here, can actually get up all of the dirt. So look at it right here. I'm going to go slow right here, maybe going slow. So going slow at the medium speed is actually getting up some of the dirt. But I have to go slow, and it's kind of a tedious process. I'm going to go and put it on high. And let's see what happens. So high, you see what it looks like right there. There's some dirt still on there. I'm just going to go with high. And it's getting up significantly more of that ground in dirt. I might have to go over this one area several times in order to get up all of this, or maybe get at a different angle. Different angle, and it's coming up a little bit more from a different angle, and after I've been going over the same spot multiple times. I'm going to go right here. So multiple times it seems to be getting up more dirt, and if I go at a different angle, it's actually getting up even more dirt. So I'm going to keep on doing this. Go at a different angle, see if it actually works really good coming at a different angle. It's actually getting that dirt up. You see that? So all in all, the Dyson stick vacuum cleaner can get up a significant amount of dirt, especially like on the highest mode. And then also when I'm going at a slower pace, like if I'm rocking it like this, slowly rather than just, it actually gets up more. There's a little bit of dirt right there. I'm gonna try to see how much I can get up with this Dyson vacuum cleaner. If not, I might have to pull out the carpet cleaner and try to get this one area. But all in all, the stick vacuum cleaner gets up a lot. I might have to go over with some carpet cleaner to get up the stains with the ground in black dirt. But it looks like a lot of it came out. See, there's a lot of dirt inside of the canister right here. So the Dyson vacuum cleaner actually did a good job. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.